During your trial, if the judge continues to rule against you and your attorney on every single objection, does that mean that the judge doesn't like your case? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law in the state of New York. Okay, now I can see. I'm out here in the backyard shooting some quick video. You notice my son's lacrosse goal. He was playing some lacrosse the other day. The goal is still up. And I wanted to share this really important information with you. There are some litigants who believe that when the judge continues to rule against you, when the attorney makes objections, it feels like the judge is against you every step of the way. Is that fair? The bottom line is it may not be fair, but the real question is, does that have any bearing on the outcome of your particular case? It is the jury who has to determine what the facts are. The jury has to determine who's right and who's wrong. The jury has to determine whether we are more likely right than wrong. And as a result of that, who's responsible in this case? Is the person you have sued, is that person responsible for your injuries, for the harms and losses that you suffered? Yes or no? And the jury will be the one to make those ultimate decisions, not the judge. So although it may seem like the judge is against you and has certain definite opinions about your particular matter, the ultimate reality is that it is the jury who makes that decision. The judge makes rulings of law, and the judge controls the courtroom and how the case progresses. And at the end of the case, the judge will give the jury the law as it applies in New York. At no time during the course of your trial will the judge ever give his opinion about your particular case. At no time will the judge during jury instructions tell the jury what he believes the outcome should be. That would be improper. So instead, although the judge may have certain thoughts or opinions, that information is not to come out during the course of trial. And although the judge may be ruling against you in certain key issues, the reality is his opinion of the facts of the case have no bearing whatsoever on the ultimate outcome. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in the litigation process when you bring a case for medical malpractice, for an accident case, or even a wrongful death matter. You know, I realize you're probably watching this because you have questions about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. And if you want, we can shoot some lacrosse calls as well. No, really, pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know I do this every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.